Hey everybody, it's Kristen McIntosh, the happy lawyer here at Schweitzer and Associates. And how many of you out there are busy packing up your recent high school grad to head off to college? Well, if you are, while you're packing all those essentials and clothes in their suitcase, don't forget to talk to your child about estate planning essentials. What am I talking about? Why would my child need estate planning essentials? Well, quite simply because your child is now an adult. Under the law, that means you as the parents do not have any right to make to access their medical records or to make medical decisions on their behalf or to even know what's going on with your child health-wise. So you sit down with your child and say, hey, while we're, picking up that blanket from Bed Bath and Beyond, perhaps, we should think about making a visit to an attorney to get your healthcare power of attorney, your durable power of attorney, your HIPAA, and your FERPTA document signed before you head off to college. Parents, if you do this, you'll thank me. Until next time, everybody, have a great day and stay happy.